Out of the shoulder blocks. Hover the knees inside the carriage out. Make sure your feet are truly on the edge of the platform, Maria, so slide your feet more forward. There you go. Now straighten the legs. Hold that, and then just push the carriage forward and back, forward and back, forward and back. You would omit the leg lift. You could do it, but, you know, because you have the foot bar there, it could happen, but you don't have to. And then slide the carriage out. There you go. And then place one foot onto the foot bar. Make sure you're steady. Make sure you got a good grippy on your sock. And then place your other foot onto the foot bar. Hold that there. Now just move the carriage. Push the carriage forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Now we add in legs. Push forward, lift your right leg up. Switch legs. Push forward, lift your left leg up. Bring the carriage in, switch legs. You switch, pull it in. Lower your hips down a little bit more, Maria. There you go. And then to dismount, I'm going to give you the advanced transition. Lift your hips up, pike up, take your right foot, place it onto the floor. There you go, and come out of back. That's super beginner. Now, bring the carriage in, drop the knees down. This is where you start to make it 2.0. Here's how. Now, put your right foot onto the foot bar. And again, I'll put this in our little thing. And then put your left foot onto the foot bar and hover your knees off. Or you can push out and then your knees will lift up automatically. You can be on your forearms or you could be on your hands like Nicole. Then, once you have that down pat, push the carriage forward and back. Push it forward and back. The next step of this exercise, while here, you can hover your right foot off, push the carriage forward and back, switch legs. Push forward and back, switch legs. And then, and then relax. Pike your hips up in the air. Take your right foot, step off of the reformer.